straight up from Florida. Vinny just dropped off the A4. And I basically, you know, got to go over it, do some stuff to it. Of course, he's backing up. This guy's crazy. Yeah, here it is. Straight from the heat. Oh, I should do a before video because, you know, I'm going to go crazy on this car and just fix all this stuff. That's an easy one there. I don't know. It's my friend Vinny's car too. It was from Florida. Now it's kind of in my possession. More low, more low. Here we go. I don't know about that back bumper. I guess I'm gonna have to get that sprayed. Has an exhaust system. Not the worst. You know, going up, corner smudge there, a little rust. These alloys aftermarket. This car was down in Florida, I don't know, about 3-4 years, I would say, or 3 years, if Vinny was telling me, since he's owned it. I think the trunk is working properly. I have to fix that. I could easily do that. Oh boy. Scratch, scratch. What do we have there? Filter. Ugh. Poor car. Whoa. Oh, headliner is drooping. I was going to say, what, the headliner's not drooping? Of course. Actually, it's kind of funny, too. This car's worked. Oh, look at this. Nice sand from Florida. There you go. Mighty dusty. What the heck is this? This guy. Looks like he left some stuff in here. Oh, wow. They left me some money. Cool. I'm definitely ahead of the game. That's for sure. There's fake, what do you call it? Carbon fiber. Has it? Ah, of course, of course. I guess I'm gonna have to buy that kit. Let's see if I can fix that. A whole bunch of paperwork. Hopefully there's some bills in here. This guy's got a lot of crap in his car. Ugh, every Audi A4 tends to do that. He left me some change. Left me some dirty seat. This guy. I like that. I'll take that, even though I have a good one. I like the small one. You know, the smaller version. It's pretty cool. Oh, man. What does this guy not do? Right. How's Christmas doing? Is Christmas alright? What's it? Christmas in was it August? Christmas in August. TPS is obvious because it's got aftermarket wheels. I'll shut that down with the VADCOM. I'll reset that with the VADCOM. Yeah, that's something stupid. Check engine light. I gotta see what that's about. Got boost. Maybe that's why. Aftermarket radio, but it kind of looks like a VADCOM, I guess. Let's see. I don't know much about this car. I didn't even drive it. He drove it here off the truck. Yeah, don't these like Android Autos or don't they need like internet? Did they just grab it somehow? I don't know. I have to check it out. I could even shut that off too with the seatbelt. It doesn't bother me though. It mostly bothers my listeners and stuff. They like bug out. Oh, why don't you put on your seatbelt? I don't care. You know, when you're in the car business, it kind of like just fades out. It definitely does. This is a little ratty. I'm going to be very careful with this and try to fix all this. I think I can. You know, it's just dirty and nasty and you know whatever. I'll try to figure that out. See what's going on. Looks like it might have leaked a little bit, which most likely is because these drains need to be cleaned out the proper way. You know what I mean? I guess he didn't ever do that. Alright, now I'm going to test drive it and see what the deal is. I'll tell you, she sounds good. I just got to work out a couple little kinks now.
is annoying driving a very low car. This exhaust is way too low. It shifted a little bit, so now I got to correct it. It's just very annoying.